Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing to a new automatic map composition file. How to be create to automated to be the map composition. So at first, which data you will be used to map composition, you first open in your data in your QGIS system, and after that you can set in your symbol, and then you can first click in plugin, manage and install plugin, and then you can search in auto layout tool auto layout tool. I have already installed it, and I have checked to auto layout toolbox, and then close. It will be shown in your in my system, and then you can click to create new layout based in current extension, and you click this layout toolbox, and then you have automated created in a map composition layout, where you can showing in your scale in your north arrow in your already created in legend file. So you can export in to a as a PDF file. So you can select in a export to PDF tool, and you select in your destination file. I can select it in my destination file, and I already put in automatic layout. You can change the file name, and then save and save. So you have already successfully exported layout. So you click in this link, where you will be showing in your layout platform, and you can click, and then this is the map composition file. This will be automatic generated. So thank you guys. I think it will be very helpful for us. So thank you, bye.